gonna be installing some lower grille. See, we're gonna change those ugly gray things over there on the bottom, as you can see, and we're gonna change it for something like this. Yes. So we're gonna go from there to there. Okay, so let's get things going. As you can see, you actually have these tabs, and this section right here actually goes on the inside. So there's no possible way to pull this just like you do with your kidney grills. So you actually have to go through the inside. What we're gonna do is, instead of pulling up the whole bumper, we're gonna try to work from the bottom. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take down that underside of the engine. Next, we're gonna jack up the car, and these are my tricks. Since the car is lower, this is what we're gonna do. Make sure you put something on the back. Safety. Next, jack stands. Okay, so what we'll be doing next is, you see this lip right here, as I was showing you guys? This actually goes on the inside. And in order to access, we're gonna have to take this apart. Okay, so grab yourself an 8mm socket. We're gonna start removing all these bolts that hold this piece right here. So I'm gonna show you on this side. What you wanna go ahead and do is take out these two bolts. Take out these two bolts so you could move the bumper right in front. So take out this bolt, and then you want to come in here and take out this bolt. So another bolt right here. So you can see, bolt right here. Then move this right here. Move this to the side and take out this bolt so you could push this whole thing right here. Loose. There's a screw right here that all you gotta do is move this right here, and the hole is right here. So what we're gonna do next is try this out. Then we're gonna take just work on pulling the tabs on the outside, and then push inside. Okay. Wiggle this stuff out of here. And there's some tabs in here and in here that you have to keep pulling down, trying to pull this down, and then push. Trying to keep pushing here. Pull this down, push in here. Trying to pull that out, push. You definitely have to put some muscle in there. All right. So now, like I said, to put this, what you gotta do is just take these ones out, push and pull a little bit, push and pull a little bit. You see, take that. That way we could go in here sure you be gentle with your bumper. We'll go here. This goes on top. Okay, first thing is make sure you go on top of here, align this corner, push on this corner from behind. Okay, go in there. Now what you want to do is press on the bottom here. Now next, go in here. Okay, in here I went ahead and I took out the bumper just for illustration, so you guys could see how the tabs are. It is not necessary for you to take out the whole bumper. You just want to lose one of the ends and the bottom, so that way you could fit your hand in there. So the way that it goes is really these tabs. Look, you just press up. That's all you gotta do. Press up, 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 and here's a little bit tight, and it comes out. Same thing when you want to put it in. You want to start by this corner, lining it up with the fog lights, obviously from the outside. I'm giving you an inside look, and make sure that everything clips in correctly. That way, once you have your finished look, you have everything nice, fitting right. Same thing if you want to take out your bottom grille. On the bottom grille, it's exactly the same thing. It's a little bit more complicated because you need more room, but it's doable. And that concludes our video. Make sure you hit the like button, and for more content on the M54 platform, make sure you subscribe. See you on the next.